Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and slightly chaotic adventure as we whip up a delicious ice cream. I decided to get creative with some of my favorite ingredients: fresh strawberries, sweet condensed milk, ripe bananas, zesty lemon, and a sprinkle of coconut. Perfect for a da filled with love and sweetness, right? Of course, I couldn't do this alone. My little sous chefs were right there with me. Now, let me tell you, making ice cream with kids is always an adventure. It starts off organized, but chaos quickly takes over. Between the laughter and the occasional splat, we managed to turn our kitchen into an ice cream factory. We blended the strawberries and bananas, added the creamy condensed milk, and a splash of lemon juice for that perfect zing. Then came the coconut, because what's ice cream without a little tropical flair? We mixed everything together, and the kids couldn't wait to dig in. After a little patience and some waiting, which was the hardest part, our homemade ice cream was finally ready. The kids were buzzing with excitement, and I loved every minute of this chaotic process. Once we scooped it out, it was pure bliss. The flavors melded together beautifully, creating a sweet treat that was perfect for any celebration. So, if you're looking to make something fun and memorable with your kids, give this ice cream a try. Thanks for joining us on this wild kitchen adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own ice cream stories in the comments below. Happy celebrations.
Your sprinkle.